Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Uber application on your iOS device. Whether you are using your iPhone or your iPad, the process is easy. First of all, unlock your iOS device and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store. Go to the search icon at the top of the screen and type in Uber and search. From the list of applications, look for the Uber Request a Ride application, this one over here, and tap on the install or the get button. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, you can launch open the application. After you do that, you can sign into your existing account if you already have an account, or you can also start by creating a new account. So that's how you can easily download the Uber Request a Ride application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.